we just walked past. It's like an old VW van with books on it, and apparently there used to be someone that started a bookshop by putting their books on top of their car. Hey everyone, we're Hannah and Jonny. For the past 3 years, we've been exploring in our self-built camper van. After loving life on the road, we realised it was time to find a place that feels like home, a perfect base for our adventures. With new adventures on the horizon, we're excited to see where this next chapter takes us. Join us each week as we continue to find new adventures. Good morning everybody. So today we have woken up in Jordan and we are so excited to be here. We have been travelling for about 24 hours to get to Jordan, and then we've just been asleep for about 4 or 5 hours, and we have got a day planned of exploring the city of Amman, which is where we flew into early this morning, and we're really excited to get out and explore. We've got to go and head to breakfast now, so we have got some energy to explore. But yeah, we're really excited to take you on this series exploring Jordan, and let's go get some breakfast. So we have made it down to breakfast, and we're currently actually staying in the Boulevard Arjaan, which is in the Boulevard area of Amman, and we're outside in the terrace area. It is really baking hot already today. We struggled to find anywhere in the shade. I think I've got the last little slither, but it's really baking hot. We've got our breakfast here, so we're just going to fill up, and then we're going to go meet our guide who we met in the early hours of this morning, and he's going to show us around the city. So this morning we have made it to a lovely coffee shop, and it's called Rumi, and we have ordered some coffee. It's very, very good, and we've also got some orange cake, which we haven't tried just yet, but it's very popular here. There's lots of people here, and we've also got our guide here.
Hello guys.
Mutaz. And yeah, we're going to go and explore Amman. The sun is shining, and we've also got some lovely jasmine with us, which smells very nice. And yeah, just very excited to explore. We have finished our coffee and cake, and we're now just walking around the neighbourhood. It's got a really lovely feel here. It's very relaxed, and we just walked past. It's like an old VW van with books on it, and apparently there used to be someone that started a bookshop by putting their books on top of their car, and it became really well known in Amman, and he now has a book shop. But yeah, apparently a lot of people do that as well, where they put their books on top of the cars and sell them, which is really interesting. So we've just been walking around this neighbourhood, and it's absolutely beautiful. There's a very big kind of creative scene here. So we were actually we were stopped by a poet, and he read us some really amazing poems, and then we've just been walking around. There's lots of street art, so we're just walking along the street now where there's a school behind us, and this whole wall is just covered in artwork. And it's so interesting, like all the different like themes and like messages that they have on there, and we're just spending time just having a look at them. And yeah, beautiful flowers everywhere as well, jasmine flowers, beautiful colours. It's just very beautiful everywhere you look.
So with the street art along the walls here, you can see behind me there's a watermelon, and we were being told that
in Palestine, they're not allowed to, or Israel, they're not allowed to fly the Palestinian flags, and so instead they're painting watermelons as a sign of protest because it's got all of the colours of the Palestinian flag anyway. And it's really interesting learning the points of view across here, the beliefs, and what's going on, and just how it's really quite sad at the moment because so many people are dying, and just how people just want to live in peace and just have a happy life, and they're not being given that opportunity at the moment. But it's really nice here in Jordan because Christians, Muslims all live by side in peace and harmony, and it's just the way the world should be. So currently we are walking around one of the oldest and fewest parks in Amman. It's actually now run by the Amman Fine Art Museum, and it's very beautiful. They've got lots of lovely plants, lots of like little rock gardens, and it's just really peaceful being here.
So Mutaz has just found some berries in the tree, and they're called toot. He's saying that as a kid they would eat them from the trees. So they look like this. I don't know if you can see, they're like white, bit sticky. Should I try one? It's not very sweet, but like, yeah, fruity. Very nice. Don't know how to describe it. How would you describe it?
It's almost like a very subtle like juice.
Almost like a lychee?
Yeah.
Lychee kind of?
Maybe even a bit like a grape.
Yeah.
Like a very soft grape.
Like a grape. So we've just walked to the Blue Mosque, which is just behind me here, and it's absolutely stunning. So the whole facade, it looks like it's covered in mosaics is what we've been told, and it is an icon of the city of Amman. So if you see any pictures of Amman, then usually this is what you will see, this building behind me here. So we've just come inside the mosque now, and we've just put on appropriate dress, and we've just walked into the main dome area, and it's so beautiful. It's very peaceful here, so I'm talking very quiet not to disturb anybody. But there's a massive chandelier behind me, and it's beautiful, and then above that there's like stained glass windows that are like circling above the chandelier, and the lights kind of just like hitting through the windows, and it's very, very pretty. So yeah, I think we're just going to walk around the mosque a little bit more and show you what it's like. So we've just come out of the mosque, and that was a really, really amazing experience, being able to go inside and see all the beautiful windows and everything. It was very peaceful in there as well. So we've just walked down the street and we're heading to somewhere for a quick bite to eat, but on the way I just found my favourite car and of course it's my favourite colour. It's really, really cool. It's like a mint colour, I guess I don't know what it is. VW. It's a VW Beetle. And then there's a toot tree behind it. So yeah, really cool. So we have just made it back to Rumi, which is where we were earlier for coffee, and we've definitely earned an appetite. So we've got some fresh orange juice, which tastes amazing right now, and then we've also got some food. So it's kind of like nibbly food. We've got some bread, which is made from some local Jordanian wheat. We've got tomatoes, cucumbers, soft cheese and olives, and also some stuffed eggplant and like a sour cream dip. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy that now. So some more food has arrived, and we have got a turkey sandwich, which looks very nice. And I think it's got some pickles and onion and sun-dried tomatoes. And then we've got some watermelon, which looks really nice, with some mint leaves on top and some ice cubes and some cheese. It looks really, really good. So we've had an amazing day in Amman. We're feeling a little bit tired now, but we've just come back to the hotel and we've come up to the rooftop pool area, and it's really cool because there's views of Amman from up here, and the sun's just starting to set, so there's like a golden glow over all the buildings, so it's really pretty up here. And there's also a pool, so might go for a quick dip. So we've just been getting some photos, and it's really lovely up here. There's some birds that have come in and had a little swim in the pool, but I think we're going to go back and chill in the room, and then we've got dinner booked at the hotel, so we'll see you then. So we've just left the hotel and we are heading to the restaurant for dinner, which is literally just down the street. It's like a 2-minute walk, but it's very busy, it's come alive, everybody's out and about, and there's a lot of restaurants just outside the hotel, so there's shisha going on and everybody's having a good time. So yeah, I'm just gonna head to the restaurant and we'll see you in there. So the restaurant that we're eating at this evening is called Habib Beirut, and it is Lebanese cuisine. So they have brought us out a selection of dishes that you can try here. So we have got a lot of different things. So we've got some fresh bread, we've got traditional Lebanese salad, we've got some dips, we've got eggplant, and some wrapped vine leaves as well. So we're gonna tuck in and try some of it now. So whilst I was just telling you about what was on the table, there's even more that has arrived. So we've got spicy Lebanese sausage, and we've also got spiced potatoes, which is garlic and coriander. We've also got some cheesy sticks, I think, and then some like pastries with meat inside.
You said sausages?
Yeah, spicy Lebanese sausages. And then there's even a main to follow after this, so wish us luck. Right guys, that wasn't it. We've also got a mixed grill has just arrived. I think it's chicken with some dips as well and a bit of side salad. So if we've not eaten enough already, dessert has just arrived, and I think it's ice cream, and we're not sure what's on top, but it looks like some sort of pistachios and kind of looks like candy floss, so I'm not really sure, so we're going to try that out. Also across from us, they're watching the Saudi Pro League, and they're really enjoying the football, so it's quite interesting hearing them cheer and enjoy that. So yeah, it's quite lively this evening. It's a Friday night, so I think a lot of the locals come out and enjoy it because it's basically their weekend. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy this, and then we are going to sleep very well tonight. So Lebanese food is absolutely delicious, and we just figured out what the dessert is. So it's basically like a candy floss on top, and I was just describing that. I think it looks a bit like sheep's wool, but it's very tasty. So before we head to bed, because we haven't got much time tomorrow, we thought we would give you a quick tour of our hotel room, and it is a very nice room that we're staying in. We have got a huge bed just here, which was very comfortable in the early hours of this morning, and we've also got like a little desk area. There's huge windows which we've closed now, but they look out onto the street where we were just having dinner. We've also got a TV, and then it's kind of like an open plan hotel room. Then you've got a kitchen space with a microwave and a fridge, and then you've also got a table where you can have your breakfast or your tea and coffee. We've also got some space in here, more storage, locker, drawers. And this is the bathroom. So we've got a bath and a shower in there, and then we've got another shower in here, which is a rainfall shower, and then like a handheld shower as well. We've got a big sink and toilet and a bidet. So it's a very big room, and sorry for all the mess.
So that is a very quick room tour of where we're staying. We're actually checking out of this hotel tomorrow, and we're heading off into other parts of Jordan. So we really hope you've enjoyed this first day in Jordan. And yeah, we're actually hoping to daily vlog each day here in Jordan, which is going to be really exciting, and we've never done it before. So we'll see you guys tomorrow for a new episode, and don't forget to give us a like and comment, and we'll see you in the morning.